Alright, what's this one?
I love math.
Solve and graph x squared minus 4x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Take a shot at factoring. A times c is 1, b value is negative 4. Two numbers that multiply to be 1 but add to be negative 4. Any numbers, class? No. Quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You have permission. You walk out to the lunchroom, room 900. She has a sign outside. She wrote down the quadratic formula wrong. She's listening to my sign. Put her minus sign for her. X equals the opposite of negative 4 plus or minus negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 1. Looks good? Yes? No?
Yeah.
Jeez, what's he yelling at me? X equals 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 over 2. X equals 4 plus or minus square root of 12 over 2. X equals 4 plus or minus, this is 4 times 3, so square root of 4 is 2. And then I factor out a 2. 2 times 2 plus or minus radical 3 over 2 times 1 cancels, and I get x equals 2 plus or minus radical 3. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay. Is that right? Hello? Yeah? Okay. So now I'm going to give myself a visual. Let's do it up here. Now, for those who are struggling with this, okay, decimals do give you understanding. So it is okay if you're getting a decimal to help you understand where it's at. 2 plus radical 3. Boom. 3.373. And 2 minus radical 3. 0.27. Okay? So then on my, based off of those two numbers, 0.27 and 3.73, I got a C value of 1. A value is positive, so it's going to open up. So my graph should look something like this. Let's review what we learned kind of like a long time ago with the celebrities. If your interest in someone else is great, then you what? You break up, right? Break up means what word? Or split up. Look, that would be, this is what we did previously, right? Does that make sense? But now we're talking about, well, the solutions are on the outside of those points. So what's on the outside is this part of my parabola. Does that make sense? Anything to the left here. That's why I'm highlighting this in red. And then I just have to write an integral notation. This is coming from where? Negative infinity to 0.27, including it. And over here, I have 3.73, starting here, to positive infinity. The solutions are not in the middle, so you have union. Remember my little trick. Did I show you guys my trick? It looks like the word or. Remember, we learned to use our calculators. So if I put this function into x squared minus 4x plus 1. Go to my table, and I can test some numbers like 0. 0 is 1. Is 1 bigger than or equal to 0? Yeah, that's true. Pick a number in here, maybe, sure, 1. It's -2. Is -2 bigger than 0? No, that's false. There should be nothing in my graph. Does that make sense? Nothing inside that little interval. And then over here, 4. 4, my output is 1, so 1 is bigger than 0. That is true. So that means my graph, I should only have solutions in this area, nothing in between, and solutions to the right. Raise your hand if you got that.